My set got here today, and it didn't come in a box. I thought it was going to come in a box, but it didn't. And at first I was a little worried that it may have gotten damaged. But the bag is nice and soft. It should have kept everything safe. This is the complete set of the 5-inch steel red lace. And here you can see they checked it, and here's all the features and what each set includes. So just find your set and you'll know what it includes. I'll go slow in case anyone wants to pause and read it. So you can 20% savings when you purchase a set. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's in it. Case is really nice. So it comes with 6 cables, 3 small cables, and 3 large cables, 14, 22, and 30, which would make, including the tips, it would give you 24 inches. Just add 10 to this because your tips will be on there. And instructions, list of everything that's in here. These small cables go with these small sizes, size 2 through 8, and then the large cables are for size 9 through 15. And I read reviews of other people having issues with their needles, so I would highly recommend going through each of your needles and making sure the threading is intact. So those are fine. I'll check them all later. And it's a nice size pocket. I'll probably keep my cables in there instead of just laying in the front. So it comes with your sizing tool to check your needle sizes and a ruler. And these are your little stoppers for your cables. If you need to borrow the needles off of a project, you just screw these on. The black ones are for the large cables, the white ones are for the small. And again, I would recommend checking all the threading on these. And it also comes with your T keys to make sure that you screw on your cables tight to your needles. And it has a cable. This is for the small cable, and this is for the large cable, so that you can add 2 cables together so you can get longer cables in case you need to make, larger projects like a blanket or something. Let's get all this back in there. I'm going to take one of these out. And then it comes with these really beautiful stitch markers. A bunch of different sizes. Let's go back in here. I can't wait to use this, so I'm going to go ahead and hook a 5 to the cables. So the size and everything is laser etched onto it, so it's not going to come off. All of them say that. A lot of people say they're hard to read. They are. And then it'll tell you if it's small or large so you know which cable is coordinating. So let's get a small cable and hook it up. And these cables are memory free, so yep, just like everybody said, they just popped right out, no curling. I'm going to take a long cable and the cables have the sizes on them. If I can get it to show it, like this has this S for small. I would definitely go through and screw all the cables to needles to make sure that they're all threaded well. And check out every little thing, because you don't want to notice it when it's too late to return it and get a refund. So a nice smooth connection. And yeah, that's everything. Let's see how these will fit up front. Of course, I have the other ones open, so I can't just put those in there. Yeah, I think the cables will fit in there just fine. And this is the 5-inch set, so if you would want to buy the 4-inch set, there's a little slot so you can keep them in, or whatever other nails you'd like to add. Very good quality case, you can tell. And that's everything.